Hello friends, welcome again in another video. In today's video, we'll solve an example from the topic quadratic equations. The question is, determine the nature of roots of the given quadratic equation x square minus 4x plus 4 that is equal to 0. Now here we don't want to find the roots of the quadratic equation. Only we have to find the nature of the roots of those quadratic equations. That is, we have to find either they are real or they are not real, or they are equal or they are different. That is only we have to find. Just we have to find the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. We don't want to find the solutions of that quadratic equation. That is, we don't want to find the roots of the quadratic equation. Now, for that one, we need the discriminant. So earlier we have studied what is the discriminant of the quadratic equation. So we'll just revise quickly. If ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, so this is the general form. So if this is the quadratic equation, for this equation, b square minus 4ac is nothing but the discriminant of the quadratic equation. That is, by having the values of a, b and c from the quadratic equation, we can have the value of this discriminant. And now, on the basis of the value of the discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac, we can have the nature of roots of the quadratic equation which is given to us. And by having the value of this discriminant b square minus 4ac, we can have the nature of root of the given quadratic equation. So for that we have to find the value of this discriminant b square minus 4ac. If we find the value of this discriminant, there are three possibilities only. Either this b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, or we can get this value b square minus 4ac which is greater than 0, and b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So these are the only three possibilities we can get for the value of b square minus 4ac. Rather, if we consider any numerical value, it is either equal to 0, or it can be greater than 0, or it can be less than 0. So here also, if the value of discriminant for any given quadratic equation, if it is equal to 0, then on the basis of that we can have the roots of quadratic equation. That is, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, the roots are real and equal. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, that means if b square minus 4ac is a positive number, then in that case the roots are real but they are unequal. And the last value, that is b square minus 4ac, if it is less than 0, that is if it is negative value, then the roots are not real. So these are the three things we have to remember. If we have b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, roots are real and equal. If it is greater than 0, roots are real but unequal. And if it is less than 0, then in that case roots are not real. So by using this, we can determine the nature of this given quadratic equation. So let's try to find the nature of this given quadratic equation. So to do this, let us have this equation as equation number 1. And if we compare this equation with the general form of quadratic equation, then we get a is equal to 1, as the coefficient of x square is not given, so it is 1. Then the value of b, that's minus 4, and c, that is equal to 4. So these are the values of a, b and c. Now from these we have b square minus 4ac, that is we have to find the value of b square minus 4ac, which is the discriminant. Now we have the value of b, that's minus 4 square minus 4 into a is 1 into c is there, which is 4. So minus 4 square, that's 16. We know that the square of negative number is always positive. Minus 4 into 1, that's 4. And again 4 into 4, 16. So 16 minus 16, that's 0. So here, for this given equation, we get the value of b square minus 4ac, that is the discriminant is 0. And as we have just seen earlier, that if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, in that case the roots are real and equal. So for this equation, x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0, the roots are real and equal. So this is how we can decide the nature of the roots of quadratic equation given by having the value of the discriminant. So that's all for today. I hope you understand this concept. If you like the content, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.